Apple's iOS 26 has arrived, and while the all-new liquid glass design is stealing headlines, it's a quieter feature tucked inside Apple Maps that may end up being the update's most compelling. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your Tech Hub. Introducing Visited Places, a smart, almost game-like feature that automatically logs the places you go, how often you visit them, and builds a subtle map of your real-world adventures. Think of it as your personal digital footprint, not in the data harvesting sense, but in a way that lets you reflect on where you've been. Whether it's your favorite coffee shop, that park you always stroll through, or the club you hit every weekend, Visited Places records it, giving you a visual timeline of your everyday life. It's a feature that doesn't ask you to stare at your screen. Instead, it quietly rewards you for stepping out, exploring, and living. Like Spotify Wrapped, but for your movements, it helps build a story around your habits, routines, and even spontaneous trips. It's something you'll appreciate more with time. It's somewhat like Apple's Journal app, but it lets you anchor journal entries to specific locations. The end result? A smooth view of memories, movement, and moments, all tucked neatly inside your iPhone. Of course, Google Maps fans will point to the timeline feature, which offers similar tracking, but Visited Places is distinctly Apple. Clean, simple, and deeply integrated into the iOS ecosystem. Available first in select countries US, UK, Canada, Australia, Switzerland, and Malaysia, Visited Places may roll out gradually, but once active, it could become one of iOS 26's most personal and quietly powerful tools. So, are you ready to document your visited moments? Tell us in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.